In this lesson, we are going to see how we can navigate within a worksheet. We have already seen that when we enter data in a cell and press tab, it takes us to the right of the currently selected cell. However, if we would press enter instead, Excel would take us one cell below the currently selected cell. As seen in the last lesson, to move around the worksheet, we can use the arrow keys. The selected cell moves according to the direction you press your arrow key. If I would want to go to the right, I would press the right arrow key. There is a quicker way to navigate around Excel using the control key. If I hold the control key and press the right arrow key, it takes me to the end of the data on the right side. Similarly, if I hold the control key and press the down arrow key, it takes me to the last row of the data. If we want to copy a cell, we can simply just press Ctrl plus C and then move to the cell where we would like to paste and press Ctrl plus V. We can see that the cell which we just copied has some dancing ants around it. This means that the data which we have copied is still on the clipboard. To erase it from the clipboard, we can just press Escape. What if we would want to select multiple cells at the same time? We can use the Shift key. The Shift key, along with the arrow keys, helps us to select multiple cells at the same time. Let us say we would want to highlight this entire row. Using only Shift plus the arrow key to select all these cells takes me quite some time. Instead, there is a better way to use a combination of Control, Shift and the arrow key. Using Control, Shift and the direction of the arrow key which we would want to select the cells in helps us select the data faster. Since I want to select the entire row, I would hold Control, Shift and then press the right arrow key. Then I can highlight this row using Alt H and selecting the color yellow. Now let us learn how do we navigate within a cell, which would help us to edit the data inside any cell. We can do this by entering inside the cell by pressing F2, or we can also edit using the formula bar. We would generally use the formula bar in case the content of the cell is very lengthy. Otherwise, we would only use the F2 function. We can navigate within a cell using the exact same keys as we did for navigating within the worksheet. That is, left arrow key to move to the left, right arrow key to move to the right, Control plus left arrow key to move one word at a time, and Control plus Shift plus the arrow key to select one word at a time. This is common for Microsoft Word, PowerPoint and Outlook as well. Let us fix the spelling of the word hello. Let us reach at the end of the word quickly by pressing Ctrl and the right arrow key. Then press backspace to remove the P and press O. Suppose if we want to delete the word hello, I can select the entire word using Ctrl plus Shift plus the left arrow key and press delete or backspace on my keyboard. Please note, if I press escape, all my changes are discarded and the original contents of the cell are returned. However, if we would press either enter or tab instead, then all my edits would stay intact. If I press delete, I can delete the entire content within that cell. Let us learn some more about editing rows and columns.